how many headshots / kills can I get in a minute? Or just before I die, because I kind of suck at the game. This edition is in hospital. Scouring through the footage to see how many headshots I got this time is very time consuming. So instead, editing me is just gonna put it on my hand here. Yeah, fun. Anyway, yay. Thank you guys for watching. You guys should subscribe because I'm so cool. Wait, is that my brains? Yeah, exactly. I have none. Yeah. Bye. Love you. Subscribe.